Wrapping an item for shipping. And that is how I pack up a sold. And yes, I do reuse Amazon boxes. Let's slow this video down so you can see the beginning part. I always stuff the center of any type of mug, or in this case a pitcher. This is a M.A. Hadley pottery pitcher that I sold on eBay. What I paid for it and what I sold it for will be in an upcoming sold video, so keep an eye out for that. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, and then you will know when to go to YouTube and view the video. I like to wrap my breakables in tissue paper, and then I put the bubble wrap on. You don't have to use the tissue paper. It's just something I started when I started shipping and just kept with it. So I wrap the bubble wrap around one way and then I wrap it the other way. And because this has a handle, I make sure to put a little bit of extra around that handle area. This first box that I tried to put the item in was too small after I had wrapped it all in the bubble wrap. So as you saw in the video earlier, I did switch out this smaller box for a much bigger one and it worked out perfect.